The White House is ramping up its effort to protect Americans from online attacks. With hundreds of thousands of open jobs across the nation in the cyber sector, they need more people to defend against attackers. Gina Cadigan spoke to the new director of the nation's cybersecurity about what the biggest threats are and how they're protecting people from them.
A local organization is teaming up with universities to get more people into the cybersecurity job force. The Pennsylvania Cybersecurity Center will offer a course through Mercyhurst University in Erie for neurodivergent high schoolers, such as a child with ADD or autism, to get started in the field.
We have this significant disparity in the number of jobs versus the number of people who are entering cybersecurity, and one of the goals of ours is to get students at this early age and to just open them up to the opportunity.
In Pennsylvania, there are 12,000 open cybersecurity jobs and another 12,000 in Ohio. Meanwhile, White House officials say cybercrime is on the rise, nearly doubling in the past year. Without people in the cyber jobs, America's security is at risk.
Our adversaries are going after those that are least capable of defending themselves, like schools. They're going after our hospitals. They're going after houses of faith.
The cyber attacks usually originate in countries like China, North Korea, Russia, and Iran. The attackers are always coming up with new ways to break in. The only way to stay ahead is to make it more costly for them to attack and to have creative thinkers on the job as defenders.
They need to recognize that they're in a fight, not with an enemy we necessarily see or touch physically, but our threats are always there.
With more local news, I'm Gina Cadigan.